Happy Halloween! It is officially spooky season. Next week, well, I guess the week that I upload this video, is Halloween. And I've always loved dressing up and pretending to be somebody I'm not. There's just something so freeing about just dressing up like a princess or just getting candy from people for no reason. It just gives you so much confidence. You know what I mean? Oh, I am so excited. This year, I am totally embracing my inner Hobbit. I grew up reading the books and I grew up watching the movie, and I don't know, the storyline and the music and everything, the cinematography, literature in the books itself just took hold of a piece of my heart. I'm very excited. I am allotting myself 4 days to make this costume, and what I'm wanting to do is combine a little bit of Sam's outfit and Frodo's outfits and kind of like incorporate their color schemes into one Sam Doe outfit. Just came up with that on the fly, but I'm really excited about this project, so let's get started. I've got a lot to do. So what we're going to do for the skirt is this burgundy color with lots of leafy sort of prints on here, and I'm going to have a reddish kind of tapestry style vest with a regular white button-up shirt with a Goodwill jacket, which I'll have to do a little bit of tailoring to, and then of course we'll add the green cloak at the end, and I'm really excited, so let's get started. Today's a new day and the first official beginning of this project, so I just thought I'd quickly go over the fabrics that I have here, and let's do it. For the skirt itself, I was thinking about using this really nice red burgundy fabric that has some nice little leaf details, and it's just like really nice little additional texture. Fortunately, I have enough to make at least a half circle skirt. Frodo, at least in the beginning scenes, wears a lot of reds and burgundy colors. Sam, on the other hand, wears neutral earthy tones. And Bilbo kind of wears a little bit of both. He has a much more vibrant color palette in the sense of wearing reds, khaki colors, greens, and browns, like really rich, nice earthy tones. And then I had a little bit of a problem trying to figure out if I wanted to use this it's ugly. This ugly brocade with some red and green and gold details for the vest. So this could be like a really nice detail and texture, or I can just go with something that's green. And this is a green wool. It's a lighter wool, but it has lots of details in the stripes. So it's got some reds in here, white stripes, and khaki stripes. So the only thing is that I think the white is a little bit too intense, and if I had the means and materials, I would definitely dye this to be a little bit of a darker green color and mute out the colors and the tones here, but I'm not going to do that because I just don't want to. I think I really want to start working on the vest, and I did purchase a pattern at the store, and it's a little boy's pattern. It was the only one that I could find that was really cheap. So we're going to see if that will work. If not, I would like to make, I would like to make a vest that has a little bit more of like a 1880s feel, so I can actually wear it and it'd be structured and pretty. I did make a poll on my Instagram to see if you guys could kind of help me out and figure out a color palette. And boy, did you guys vote. Let's just take a look. So basically 60% of you guys, 29 votes, said that you would really like this red brocade. So I guess this is what we're gonna do. I'm here for it, so let's do it. So this is more of a Frodo look. Let's do the Frodo. Hello, welcome to my floor. This is the pattern that I am working with today. I really hope this fits because it would just be really pitiful if it didn't. I have to be honest with you, I haven't actually looked at a pattern like this in years. I always draft my own patterns, but let's see what we can do. So B and A, what is color A? Guessing I'm just gonna have to use the largest pattern. Okay, let's just do it. I hope this fits. Alright, let's let's just see. This could be like a boob list. You know what? Screw this pattern. I'm gonna draft it myself. Here we go. Hello, it's day 3. I didn't film anything yesterday because I just got into the zone of my camera battery died and I didn't have another one charged. So anyway, here's the vest. It looks really good and I'm really glad that it kind of turned out the way that I wanted. So it fits really nice. It's got a really nice point in the front and here's the lining on the inside. The only thing that I really want to do is add like a few buttons here on the sides and maybe I'll add the lapels here. I think the buttons will just be decorative on the side. So now that the vest is pretty much done and it's just detail work after this, I'm going to start working on the skirt and then today hopefully I can get the jacket worked out so I can work on it tomorrow and then film everything tomorrow and then upload it so you guys can see it for Halloween. What is this, day 3? Yeah, something like that. Day 3. Last night I was able to actually get quite a lot done. I completely ripped out the seams, the side seams here, so I can take it in enough to kind of give a nice shape to the jacket, mostly because it had no shape. It was basically a box. And then I also raised the shoulder and sleeve length on this side. I still have to do that on the other side, but it's really looking really good. I've tried it on and it looks like a 1920s, 1930s style jacket because it's so long on me. And I'm not going to cut any of the fabric because in the future I would really like to take it all apart, like completely take everything apart and then remake it to fit my proportions. And then I'd have a really nice jacket. But for now, this will work as a oversized hobbity intellectual jacket for now. But I'm going to finish this up, do the buttons and lapels and everything like that, and this costume is completely done, and then I'll film today and upload hopefully tomorrow. I'm so excited, it's gonna be great. So let's get back into it real fast.